IBIT stock Friday. Am I bullish or bearish on Defiant? The name is Defiance Daily Short Digitizing the Economy ETF. Such a long name, but whatever. I only have one daily candle, okay, maybe like a few here and there, some like 15-minute candles. This basing off of like a daily slash swing trade perspective, I am going to say that my opinion is still going to be purely just expecting the price to deliver lower, just from testing like strategies on top of strategies. But this is nothing to be taken seriously because my strategy is not focused on only one daily candle. We need to have more data because the market is fractal. We can still play around in here, just go to the 5 minute. It all kind of gives the same exact thing. And I'm still pretty bearish exactly how I drew. Right, this is what I would love to see the price do. Obviously, you can do whatever you want. So this is just my 2 cents. And also with the Defiance Daily Short Diet Digitizing the Economy ETF, whatever the name is, such a long name. I'm just expecting new lows to be made right there in the next, maybe next candle, maybe the next three candles. I don't really know. Do not put a time frame goal to your prediction. Just giving you my 2 cents. Again, purely from previously testing 14,600 plus videos. Not financial advice. If you still don't know where to start, there's a 100% free newsletter first link in the description, where you also get my 100% free course.